What's up, guys? Welcome to Fairyland. Today we are turning ourselves into a real life pixie, ears and all. So stay tuned. Hey guys. We're just gonna jump into this because I'm not sure you can really prepare yourself to turn yourself into a pixie. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna do my base. I'm going to prep my skin with Too Faced Hangover and Sunbeam highlighter from Benefit. I want to be like I'm glowing from within. So today is gonna be essentially a highlighter costume. Like all it's gonna be pretty much is highlighter. So let's do it.
Alright, so before we can get to the foundation, I added in a little bit of Sunbeam from Benefit for an inner glow, and then came in and dabbed my Makeup Forever HD stick all around before blending it in with my It Cosmetics Airbrush Foundation Brush for Ulta. And because pixies never get tired, I added in some Tarte Shape Tape, a lot of Tarte Shape Tape to guarantee that I looked wide awake. And for the purple all over, I came in with Lorac Cosmetics Desert Sunset palette, and I used the purple, I believe it's called Meditation or Meditate, to first contour in my cheekbones, and then I took that same shade of purple and started contouring my hairline, just to kind of turn my 5 head back into a 4 head. My nose, especially where my nose and my eyebrows kind of come to meet, I wanted to darken that up a bit, give me kind of a, I want to say a fairy contour, but I don't think that's really a thing. I just wanted to kind of narrow in my eyes, and darkening up that space in between the bridge of your nose is going to do that. Then I came in and contoured my nose out before really putting that tip onto the nose. And rather than just leaving my brows bare, I came in with a Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in a purple shade to kind of fill them in a bit, give me some, you know, bushy, at least the front of the brows, because I came in later on and filled the end with glitter. But I took that same Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil and chiseled in that little ball point to my pixie nose. And to give my purple eyeshadow some dimension, I came in with the pink shade from Laura Lee's Party Animal palette. It's a really nice like pop of hot pink. It looks like it's glittery, but it doesn't really have too much shimmer to it, which was nice because I knew I wanted to come in and layer my highlighter over it. And for blush, I came in with kind of a pop of pretty bright pink to kind of give myself some little bit of like an innocent glow on the apples of my cheeks before I came in with Diamond Ball Out. It is the Silver Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. It's super silver, so I highlighted the Cupid's bow in the corners of my mouth as well as the inner corners of my eyes with it. I added some lower lash shadow using the same purple that we contoured with earlier before coming in with Urban Decay's glitter liners. These things were so amazing. I loved it. I filled in the outer tail of my brows as well as the very pop of my lid with these guys. But you know, sometimes glitter just isn't everything. So I had to come in with my Trace Ultraviolet Starlighter, and I just kind of went crazy with this bad boy. I like to apply it with my finger. I feel like it's more blendable that way instead of with a brush. So I came in first and blended it with my finger on my cheekbones, and then I just started streaking it and like strobing it wherever I wanted it, on my lips, on my neck. And I eventually came back in and put it on my cheekbones as well. I topped it off with some They're Real mascara from Benefit because I knew I wanted to come back in and put on some false lashes. These guys are from Ardell and they are their wispy lashes, and they were nice and light, so it was actually really comfy. After adding just the last bit of glitter to the lashes, I came in with my fairy ears and some spirit gum. They did not fall off. It was amazing. They came off easily though. And then it was time to move on to the Pixie Hair. I used a combo of both Puff Me and Hold Me from Design Me Hair to get my hair to new heights and really give it that kind of rebellious do, kind of almost like a faux hawk, more like a pixie faux hawk, but it was a lot of fun. Once I got it shaped into what I want, I came in with some glitter from Sexy Hair. Just be mindful when adding the glitter. The gel can be a little bit heavy, so you don't want to use too much of it. You want to kind of be sparing so that it stays nice and high. And once you get that glitter in, you're done, folks. Oh no, we have the wings. You gotta put on the wings.
That's all we have for you guys. I feel very magical and glittery. I hope you enjoyed this fairy tutorial. If you did, give me a like, give me a subscribe, throw a comment down there, and I'll see you guys next time.